To fix the issue of Roblox crashing on iPhone and Android devices, start by ensuring that no other apps are running in the background, as they can consume memory and storage, causing Roblox to crash. Close all other apps by swiping them away. Then restart Roblox. If the problem persists, navigate to the Roblox settings by selecting the Roblox icon and choosing Settings from the top menu. In the settings, try changing the graphics mode to manual and lowering the graphics quality level, as this may help prevent crashing. Additionally, enable full screen mode, as disabling it can cause crashes. If these changes do not resolve the issue, try restarting your phone by holding down the power button or the power and volume buttons. If Roblox still crashes after restarting, uninstall the app by long pressing the icon and selecting Remove App, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once reinstalled, Roblox should no longer crash on your device. If you continue to experience issues, you may want to explore further troubleshooting steps or seek additional guidance.